Hi, today I want to show you some updates of my Cupix project. In my last video I've shown you that I had some problem with the measurement and I talked to the support team and they told me that I can actually calibrate it. Because I'm pretty new, what I'm showing you here, I'm learning as well. The calibration is quite easy. This is the measurement I have done here and it's showing 2.42 meter. The actual measurement here is 2.7. So I can select, right click on it and use Calibrate. Now I can enter the value 2.7 and say OK. So this one now is showing the accurate measurement, and I hope all other measurements will change accordingly. So let's go to this one here. Let's come closer. This one is showing 2.15. Let's have a look. Yeah, 2.11 was the actual measurement, but it's still I think it's better than the generated one, which was 1.93. And let's have a look on my vertical measurement here. The generated measurement was 1.97 and the actual was 2.22. And let's have a look. 2.20, that's really good. So that's very impressive. So I just need to go to one measurement and enter my actual measurement value there, and the rest of the measurement will change accordingly. That's pretty nice. In my last video, I showed you how to share the 3D virtual tool to social media, and I wasn't very happy because let's say if I go to here and whenever I share the link, let's say if I share it here, so click on, put the link here, and the only thing you will see the Cupix logo. That's not very appealing to your friend to click. Then I've written to the Cupix team, so then they told me, oh, I still have to wait a few more days, and in 1 week they will launch a new feature. And this is the new feature. This just wasn't there in my previous video. Cover image. Basically, I can navigate to one place, looking at this one here. But I just don't know how to switch off the measurement here. So if I take a snapshot, let's say, go take a snapshot like here. Yes, and you can see there's a snapshot. This will be my preview when I publish my link. It will take some time to upload this captured image. Okay, the upload has been completed. Now what I can do is using this link to share it, but there is a problem I want to show you. If I use the Google Plus and paste the link here, and you will see the image is not showing. Somehow the Google Plus has cached the image, what I have tried before. So for the demonstration, I think it's better to show you with Facebook. Do not use the copy and paste the link. Just click on here, share on Facebook. Now you can see the Facebook preview is exactly this image here, and you can type something and share it. The next thing I want to show you is this one here. You can set the entry photo and go to the entry point anytime. What does that mean is I can show you in my preview. It's my entry photo is currently looking from the balcony. So that's my virtual tool where I start, but I don't want to start from there. I can get a new entry point. For example, I want to start from here. Then I just select this one and click on Set as Entry Photo. Okay, now I can go around, and anytime I can go back to that starting point by go to Entry Photo. Then I'm here. So also after you share the link, if your friend click on your link, it will see this photo as starting point. I can click on the preview to show you. It doesn't work. Maybe I need to save it first. Okay, click on preview again. Yes, now there's a pop-up coming. Okay, so basically it's not exactly showing the part I was, it only showed the photo I took at this point. So that's an entry photo. Okay, these are basically the feature I haven't shown you in my previous video, the calibration of the measurements, and the other one is the cover image. You can define your own cover image, so make the link more interesting. The other one is you can also set your entry photo, so basically when someone click on the link, will go straight to that photo first. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. Bye.